So today I'm going to be doing a giant mukbang. I have Debonairs pizza. I have McDonald's. And I have the sauces also. So yeah, let's get to it. So I have my fries. And I have my nuggets. And I have my drink. I need a refill on my thing, but it's okay for now. And yeah, I'm just taking the packaging from my pizza. And I can get ready to eat. There we go. And look how good this is, guys. You see, I got the cheese pizza. Also, the fries are a bit cold, so I'm gonna warm it up on the pizza. So yeah, let's just warm my fries up because our microwave doesn't work currently. So yeah, anyway, so let's get into it. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna start with the nugget. Sorry, but it just tastes really good. That's what I'm talking about. Take it off.
What? Do you catch?
Sorry. Also, look how cute this beanie is from McDonald's. It's like a nice little. Obviously, it socks over beanie. Obviously, I had to choose the beanie. Oh yeah. Do you guys like my artwork? That's my name. And Flop Tropica. Something I did in class and over there. Then just random stuff. Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do is take this, make it as a burger. It's weird. That's good. Not gonna lie, that was really good. Also, the reason why it's not like I'm suffocating or like breathing so heavily, my nose is a bit blocked. I was a bit sick for a couple of days. So, yeah. I'm gonna put some sauce on there. Wait, guys, hear me out, hear me out. Hear me out, okay? So good. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Today I'm gonna have like a little spa day. So yeah. Also, I cleaned my room. Yeah, I've been a bit productive today since I've been a bit sick. Yeah, I've been sick for a while, actually. And yeah, I don't know why. But I went to go play outside today. Like, sorry, 6. I'm not a mason, I swear, I'm not a mason. Not a mason. Anyway, the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Don't know if anybody's even watching this video right now, bro. Ah! Luckily it fell on something. Oh no, my shirt. Mmm. Mhm. 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 Just a bit. So yeah, I went to go cut my hair today, and sorry, I'm just playing with my bag. Don't know why though. It's like we went to this game to just get just for me, you know. And I got this juicy bomb, birthday bomb. It smells like a sugar cookie and it tastes like a sugar cookie. But just look at that. Oh, it smells so good. Parents, like, you'll be South African parents when they see F's on the report card. Not my parents. This is a lethal whipping, guys, that I'm holding in my hand. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. It's really good. Also, shout out to BFF Squad with Peyton, because why not? And she actually is my friend. I live in the same complex. So yeah. And we lucky, me and her, we haven't been playing for a bit. She came and said like the day before yesterday, so 2 days ago. And yeah. So go check her channel out after this. And yeah. To support her. And also support me. I need love too, guys. Yeah. My last bit of pizza. Not last bit. I still have a whole thingy. But for this slice, my last piece. I'm not gonna be eating all like the mukbangers, but I'm gonna be eating a bit because I'm not gonna force myself to eat. Right now, I'm pretty hungry. So yeah, I'm in school holiday, and I'm not doing schoolwork. I should be doing schoolwork, but like, be honest now, I should have done it while I was still in school. While school holidays didn't start. It's too late for that, but I'm still going to do homework when I want to. I'm saying right now, but I don't do it. Like, but honestly, who wants to do homework on school holidays? need to be careful. You guys, I saw this video like, there is now flop tropica flag in the emojis. I lied. But they need to add the flop tropican flag. Hold on, just over there. So yeah. Then over here it says I love Jaffi. And honestly, should I just make a pizza roll? I should make a pizza roll. I should make a pizza. Last night for late night snack, it wasn't late, but just saying, for late night snack. Actually, it was late. It was like 1 in the morning. They're like, Daddy, can you make it? My mom asked my dad to make a burrito. So I'm like, make me a burrito too. So we had lettuce, chicken pops, nut pops, crushed up, and then there was cheese, and I think that's all. Like a few things. No, it had cucumber. Pardon. Hold on, cucumber. So yeah.